Okay, in this one we're going to do a pyramid and a cone. So I'm going to select my little guy, delete him, and I'm going to come over and I'm going to actually start my pyramid with a perfect square. So remember, you have to have the diagonal line, the diagonal dotted line, to be a square. I'm going to orbit around a little bit, and I'm going to use my push-pull tool to bring it up. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my line tool, which is this pencil right here. Okay, I'm going to go down into the corner. You see that by the green dot, and I want to hit the center point, so I'm at my midpoint. I'm going to come down to this corner, get my green dot, go to my center point again. Perfect. I'm going to orbit around just a little bit, come to my push-pull tool, and I'm going to push that side out, rotate around, push that side out. Okay, now I'm going to rotate around to this side, and I'm going to find the midpoint again with my pencil, and you'll notice it locks right into place. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line up there. Now with that, I'm going to go over to the Move tool. We haven't used this one in a while. There's your Move tool. And you're going to click on that and then just come over to the edge where the green dot is and drag that over to meet that center point. Drag this one over to meet the center point. Then all you do is come up here to the Eraser tool. Okay, it's this one here. Okay, click on your Eraser tool. You can use it there or here actually. Just click on that line. It will disappear. Okay, we go into our Orbit tool and we can see that we have a perfect pyramid. Okay, now that we've done that, I'm going to show you how to do a cone. And this is a little different method. So we're going to go ahead and draw a circle first. Okay, I'm going to move that over just a tiny bit. Okay, from there, I'm going to use a tool that's called the scaling tool. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use the push-pull tool and bring it up. Okay, let's orbit around so we can see my top surface a little better. Then I go ahead and click that top surface and I type in the letter S, and that brings this box around it. Now from here I can drag in, but you notice it dragged it in an obscure way, and that's not what I want. So I'm going to hold down the Option key, and then I drag in, and it will drag it right to the center point. And that will give me the cone that I'm looking for. So when I rotate around, I can see that I have a pyramid and I have a cone. Okay, I want you to work on those two shapes.